What is hormone replacement therapy? So hello everyone, my name is Dr. Anthony Lytle, and I want to explain a little bit about what hormone replacement therapy is. So essentially what it's doing is you're giving the body a hormone that it's produced in the past, but because of age or other factors, the body is no longer producing it at the same levels, those youthful levels where you used to feel a more vibrant energy about yourself. You're no longer feeling that with age, because with time those hormone levels are just produced less and less. So essentially you're just replacing what was once there. You can replace many different hormones. Some of the common ones would be testosterone, estrogen, probably more specifically estradiol, progesterone, both men and women. And there's some other ones too, like your thyroid hormones can all decline with age, along with even growth hormone, omnitrope. But even there's some peptides that can actually increase growth hormone production in an indirect way. So if you're interested in hormone replacement therapy, or more specifically maybe testosterone or estrogen therapy, I can provide that here at NMD for Me at the TNT Fitness and Wellness Center in Mesa, Arizona. Give us a call. You can email me at drtonylytle@protonmail.com.